Meet the place nasa malapit lang dito sa Eiffel Tower, guys. Ayan. So may story to, guys. Gawan ko na lang siya ng panibagong video kasi medyo akala namin na scam kami ba. Expected kasi namin parang sa office ang meet the place, pero sa labas ng tindahan ba. Ayan. So isa-isa na ring dumating yung mga ang tawag dito, yung ibang tourist. Ayan, dumating naman sila. So nawala yung bahala na. Tapos check na lang yung mga nag-book. Ayan. So, naka-line kami dyan ngayon. Ayan yung leather nila.
We have to show them our bags.
Yeah.
Anybody with a parachute here? No. No? A gun? No. A knife?
No.
A knife? You have to hide the knife. You can't go into the tower.
Yeah, of course.
They will see.
We're just...
Nothing. A gun. Or I just put it here.
Thank you.
Hello. How are you? I'm gonna put one for you here and one more right here. Bags.
Yes.
In order not to give you too much information, we'll do it stage by stage. So now what we just need to focus on is make sure our pockets are empty.
Yes.
We don't have coins, nothing in the pockets.
So, ayan guys, after ng konting intro, ayan, punta na tayo sa Eiffel Tower. So, meron siyang dalawang check, yung security check ng bag for security. Pero, free yung entrance doon, guys. Ito nyo. Doon, hindi kalayuan yung meet-up place. So, dito guys, security check lang ito. Titignan lang yung bag mo, yan.
Okay.
Parang sa airport, ganun. Pero libre to guys. Ang may entrance lang, ay yung may entrance fee lang, yung pag-akyat sa Eiffel Tower. Ayan guys. Tapos, depende sa tao yan guys, kung marami. So, may kaming pumunta dyan sa hindi pag-aano maraming tao. Pero parang marami na rin siya. Tapos, intayan kami dyan kasi pipicture naman kami ng tour guide.
Take siya ng picture para
package deal na talaga siya. Siyempre kami din. So, tingin ko mas mura guys yun kung pipila kayo sa sariling bili na lang kayo ng ticket. Kasi kami, siniri lang talaga namin kasi depende nga sa tao. Last 3 person na nga nabili naming ticket eh. So, ayan guys. Tapos, ang binayaran kasi namin yung pagtaas at saka yung tour guide. Siyempre, magsasalita pa yung tour guide sa mga story ng Eiffel Tower. Ayan guys.
Right? And do we know who they are? The theories and calculating on each side of the tower. So a total 72. And they are all men.
good. It's not. So we can follow the tourist guide. So we can hear what the tourist guide is saying.
Notice that we did not have this free.
Okay.
So tomorrow, if you decide you want to come here, you can. You only pay when you're going up.
Okay.
And that's why we'll pick up our tickets right over there. But when you also look, it's saying top closed. Now that happens when the summit is overcrowded. They close it and wait for people to disperse. So the top can be closed for an hour, sometimes an hour, 30 minutes. So what will happen now, I'm going to tell us what we'll be doing while I go to the information desk to find out how long we have to wait. If it's worth waiting or just going all the way. But if the top is closed, you get a refund for sure. Yes, so here you are in the middle of the tower, and what you see up there is the glass floor. is the only floor with glass. Yes? And to capture that, you can take a picture. All you need to do is set your timer for 3 seconds. You put it
Je tu telefon där. Jag vill ha det.
Papa. Lulan. So back to Paris na kami guys after from 2011 ngayon 2024. So marami na yung pinagbago ng kita nyo. Dati hindi ganito, so mas secure na sila sa security. Di tulad dati, sobrang crowded dito. Ayan.
information of deeds is 7:40, but they say most likely 7:30. So my question now is, normally I would. Sorry, my bad. 8:30. Yes. So what will happen? I'm gonna give us 15 minutes break. Now this break is for toilets. You wanna grab a drink? You wanna take more pictures? You wanna look around? It's fine.
Okay.
In exactly 15 minutes. Please, 15 minutes. Yes? That means 8:10. I give you 1 minute extra. 8:10. I will be right there.
Okay.
Yes? Waiting for you.
Okay. Where's the toilet here?
Toilet is just behind this pillar.
Okay.
You go to the right and you have the toilet.
Okay. Let's go pa.
Go behind.
A toilet is here. Behind this villa. Where's that one? I forgot already.
Där är en huge fine toilet.
Okay. I didn't notice earlier. Then we can drink because we can fill up the water, you know. Tama, dito nga kami nag-toilet dati. So, ito ang toilet. Oh, sa big line or what? Same dito.